I'm really happy to have now dipped my toes into reviewing JVC's product, and I'm now starting to see that this company that I've known all my life and is now competing in the ANC space.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky.
Today we're taking a look at JVC's answer to the active noise cancellation market and to see if what they have is still relevant with so many good budget options out there. Welcome to a review of the JVC HA-A50T. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. With that said, let's get on with a review of the JVC A50T. Today's earbuds are graciously sent over to me by Klingen Malaysia, and they are the distributor for JVC in Malaysia and many other brands. You can check out their website in the description below. And although these were sent to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. These earbuds retails for about US 100, and that translates to about 400 Malaysia ringgit, which is very close to the price of the Transmart Apollo Bolt, which in this case is the JVC's biggest competitor. So if you're interested in buying these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So the design of the A50T is a little bit more conventional compared to its bigger brother, the XC90, and the earbuds case is a very standard case that is made of primarily matte plastic, and it seems that these are really high quality plastic. At the top you get a nice embossed JVC logo in a glossy blue font, and at the front you get 4 LED indicators to tell you the percentage of battery charge you have left inside the case. Flipping the case to the back, you get a nice USB Type-C charging port, which is at least pretty universal across all their earbuds, and this case doesn't support wireless charging. So the lid of the A50 is pretty standard flip up lid, very smooth but nothing unique here, and it doesn't hold itself up on its own when you tilt them around. And inside of the case you'll see the two earbuds sitting pretty far apart from one another actually. Similar to the XC90, the A50 also has a very contoured earbud shape near the tip, but I believe these doesn't come with all the audio technology that we see in the XC90. At the front of the earbuds you get a touch sensor surface and the JVC logo printed on the top, and there is also a raised dot on the left earbud to tell you which side is which if let's say you're just feeling for your earbuds. So very useful detail and very thoughtful of JVC to include that. And already comes attached to the earbuds is the memory foam tip, and JVC gives you so many ear tips for you to choose from. Whether it's their foam tips or their silicone tips, you will definitely find something that fits. Personally, I don't think that the foam is as isolating as Comply foam tips, and you can see that this memory foam on these ear tips actually springs back really quickly, unlike Comply foam tips. So with ANC, these earbuds will give you a pretty mediocre 6 hours of continuous playback time and a total of 18 hours with the case, and turning ANC off boosted that number to about 8 hours with a total of 24 hours. And the earbuds takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge, and the case takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge. So the JVC A50T gives you most of the modern features you come to expect from a modern earbuds and comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 chip. No Qualcomm mentioned here this time, unlike the JVC XC90, but these earbuds does support both AAC and SBC audio codec. So these earbuds have a pretty decent IPX4 water resistant rating, which is very similar to most ANC earbuds today, but compared to the Transmart Apollo Bolt, the Transmart comes with an IP45 rating. But IPX4 should give you a very good protection for most of your workout needs, and even if you get caught in the rain, this will still be okay. So these earbuds support a pretty seamless mono and stereo mode, so you can use either side independently, and swapping each side of the earbuds will have a short 1-second pause and music continues to play. Lastly, no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, but you can still connect it to multiple devices, just not at the same time. Honestly, I'm kind of spoiled by the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds that I've recently looked at, but the Bose is almost 4 times more expensive than these. The ANC on the JVC is pretty good, and I would say it's slightly better than the Transmart Apollo Bolt. It does a very good job at most low humming noises, but I noticed that it doesn't cut out the hum of my fan all that much. But it does lower its volume to about 20%, and I can still hear it. With the Bose, it totally annihilates it. With most speech and chatters, it does lower the volume quite substantially, but still audible. JVC markets these as memory foam earbuds with ANC, so it employs a passive and active noise cancellation together. In practice, I do feel the memory foam help a little bit, but honestly, not by much. So to compare the performance of some of the ANC earbuds, the Bose QC earbuds cuts out about 90% of ambient noise, the 85TW's NB2 and the Earphone Air Pro and this JVC A50 manages an impressive 80%, and the Transma Upper Lobe, which is the biggest competitor of these earbuds, manages about 70%. So that gives you a pretty good idea where these earbuds sits. So the sound quality of the A50 is very balanced. Unlike its bigger brother, the XC90, these earbuds produce very crisp highs, but bass is not as strong at lower volumes, and low ends only comes out when volumes is above 70%. So balanced earbuds are more suited for most genres of music, and these earbuds provide you with that worry-free sound signature, knowing that it does pretty okay with most music. But for musics like metal, rock or EDM, you might not be getting that satisfying that you're looking for. The Transma Upper Lobe actually provides a more full-bodied, bassier sound signature. So if you want something a little bit more powerful on the low ends, I recommend the Upper Lobe. So soundstage is decent on these and does give you very good separation overall, but they don't feel airy in my opinion, so feels a little bit close to your ears when music is playing. So the call quality on these earbuds is also very good, and generally good call qualities across all environments, and it does an amazing job with virtually wiping out all background noise and very impressively gets your voice through in noisy environments. So let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the JVC A50 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. And latency on these earbuds is also pretty good, and does generally well with YouTube and Netflix. Gaming still comes with a very minor delay, but for casual gaming, definitely still enjoyable. So anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. So to be honest, similar to the JVC XC90 that we've looked at previously, I really like the controls on the JVC A50. So to play or pause media or pick up phone calls, simply tap once on the left side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. And tapping once on the right side toggles you between ANC, ambient mode as well as normal mode. To skip tracks forward, press and hold the right earbuds and it will skip your tracks forward. And to skip backwards, press and hold on the left earbuds and it will skip backwards. To increase the volume, double tap on the right earbuds and the volume will slowly increase, and to lower the volume, double tap on the left earbuds and the volume will decrease. So that is basically all of the controls you get with the JVC A50. So overall, for a pair of ANC earbuds at this price point, I think they do a pretty good job, and coupling it with that good sound quality, these are definitely a very good pick. So that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.